Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mardia. I have not decided what my channel is about yet, but welcome. In this video, I will show you all how I achieve this look I have been rocking for 4 weeks, a total of 4 weeks today. So if you would like to learn, continue to watch this video. First thing first, I section my hair in four section, and I will be using the Easy Ready Soft Braid. It comes pre-stretched already, so the work is done for you. And there are 3 sections to the pack. So there's a pack, and I bought 2 pack. I use 4 of the section for this hair. You guys will also see me trimming my hair, and that is just because I'm lazy, and I always try to get this done before doing the process of braiding my hair, so it's a all-in-one technique. So ignore that. And later on, as we continue to make video, I will show you guys my natural home remedies hair oil that I use to grow my hair. With that said, this is the technique I will be using to braid my hair, and this is a non-rubber band technique. So you split your natural hair in 3 sections. Add an extension to each section and braid your hair down. It's like braiding cornrows, or just straight braids, but just singles. And that's it. I do not recommend using rubber band on your hair, as you will lose your edges. And I also do not recommend blow drying your hair before braiding it. And you guys will see me braiding the back of my hair. It's easy to start from the back than to start in the front, because the back does not have to be perfect. Okay, the back does not have to be perfect at all. So the goal is to try and get the extension to be the same size throughout the entire hair. But your natural hair, you can have your natural hair be bigger, split in the back compared to the front. So later on, as I show you guys the finishing product, you always see what I'm talking about. With that said, I will not talk too much. I will have you guys watch and see how I braid this hair. All right, so we're all done with the back. As you guys can see, the back, it's a little more larger in hair size, but the braids, the extension, are the same size. That was what I was talking about. So you can make the part bigger. You don't have to have thin hair for you to braid your hair fast. If your hair is full and thick, you can part the part a little more larger than the front. You guys are gonna see me parting the front smaller, but the extension will be the same size, so that the entire hair is the same size. Okay? After the hair is done, we're gonna use some dollar rods to curl the end of it. So I'm just using these dollar little rods right now. Um, and I'm gonna curl the end with some hot water and then trim it, and we will be done. Okay, so thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Have a nice night. By the way, when I was done with this hair, it was at I think 1:37 in the morning. So, and I had work the next morning, Monday. I did this on a Sunday, and I had work the next morning. Oh my gosh, I felt like a zombie. Alright, well, that's my story for the hair. I really, really appreciate you guys for staying this long to watch this video. Please subscribe, like my channel, leave a comment, give me suggestions. Thank you to Karen for her suggestion for my previous hair video. I will try to be more courteous on this while creating this video. Thank you.